Combination test number 2. 1. After you supply air to the trailer, make sure the air lines are not crossed and the trailer brakes are working. This is done by applying and releasing the trailer brakes and listening for brake sounds. 2. If the service air lines come apart while you are driving a combination vehicle, but the emergency line stays together, what will happen right away? Nothing is likely to happen until you try to apply the brakes. 3. Where should the tractor be when you inspect the landing gear after coupling the trailer? With the tractor frame under the trailer. 4. What gear should the tractor transmission be in after you have uncoupled the trailer and inspecting the trailer supports? Neutral. 5. You should not back a trailer under a trailer until the whole air system is at normal pressure. Normal pressure is between 100 psi and 140 psi. 6. Which of these statements is true? Bobtail tractors can take longer to stop than a combination vehicle loaded to maximum gross weight. 7. You are coupling a semi to your trailer, but have not yet backed under. The trailer is at the right height when it will be raised slightly when the tractor is backed under it. 8. When you are uncoupling a loaded trailer, you should lower the landing gear until it makes firm contact with the ground and crank it in low gear a few extra turns. 9. In general, the higher the center of gravity of your truck, the easier it is to turn over. 10. It will be safe when driving behind your other vehicles under good conditions. You should have at least 1 second between your vehicle ahead of each blank feet of your vehicle's length. 10. 11. You're coupling a tractor to a semi-trailer and have backed up but are not under it. What should you hook up before backing under? The emergency and service air lines. 12. A tractor with a trailer requires the shortest amount of stopping distance. Fully loaded. 13. When checking the trailer's emergency brakes, the tractor protection control valve should be placed in the blank position. Emergency. 14. When do you need to use chocks to park a trailer that does not have spring brakes? Always. 15. You are driving a combination vehicle when the trailer breaks away, pulling apart both air lines. You should expect the trailer brakes to come on and the tractor protection valve to close. 16. You have coupled with the semi-trailer. In what position should you put the front trailer support before driving away? Fully raised with the crank handle secured to its brackets. 17. A device which connects the service and emergency air lines from the truck to the trailer is called glad hands. 18. When rolling up the landing gear to complete the coupling process, use low gear until the tractor is supporting the trailer. 19. Large combination vehicles take longer to stop when they are empty. 20. You should know your brakes are fading when you have to push harder on the brake pedal to control the speed on a downgrade.